Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 8 for Visible by Verizon. So the Pixel 8 is up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video here. So yeah, the Pixel 8 is here at Visible. Y'all guys can get it in the obsidian color, 128 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah, this is the Pixel 8 right here. Y'all guys will have your hole punch there for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone, it looks like. There it is, right side power button, volume keys. There's the right side of the phone there. On the back of the Pixel 8 is your dual camera setup, camera flash, microphone, it looks like, and a Google logo there on the back. And it has that camera hub that it has had since the Pixel 6 lineup. So it has the camera bar there on the back. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, the Pixel 8 is $19.42 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, or it's $6.99 for retail price. So that's not bad. Pretty good price for this phone here. It's also recommended that you guys get phone insurance for your phone, so Visible Protect is worth checking out there to protect your phone and stuff like that. Features: meet Pixel 8, the helpful phone engineered by Google with an amazing camera, powerful security, and an all-day battery. With Google AI, you can do more even faster, like fix photos, screen calls, and get answers. And Pixel 8 has personal safety features for added peace of mind. Best for members that are looking for personal safety features for added peace of mind. This is a 5G compatible device with roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs: the Pixel 8 has a 6.2-inch display, 20:9 aspect ratio. The Pixel 8 weighs 6.6 ounces. Dimensions: 5.9 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.4 inches depth. It takes a physical nano SIM card or eSIM option is available. It has Android 14. Yeah, it has Android 14, I believe so. So that's very cool. It has a 50 megapixel Octa PD wide camera, 10.5 megapixel dual PD selfie camera. It has a Google Tensor G3 chipset, Titan M2 security code processor, 128 gigabytes of storage. Battery is 237 hours of standby time. 4G usage 26.80 hours. Okay, interesting. Security: you have VPN by Google One at no extra cost. Fingerprint unlock on the display, fingerprint sensor, face unlock, pattern, PIN, password. Network: you have 5G sub-6 GHz, C-band, and millimeter wave 5G. Roaming, of course. What comes in the box is a Pixel 8 Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick switch adapter, and your SIM ejection tool. If you guys want to learn more about the Pixel 8, check the second link below for that, alright? So, yeah, do you guys have it? The Google Pixel 8 is now here at Visible. It's available now for $6.99 for retail price for the 128 gigabyte version, so it's worth checking out. It looks very nice. It's more curved this year on the corners this year, so if you guys like more traditional phones, I guess you could say this is the phone for you. So yeah, the Pixel 8 looks like a very nice looking phone and has good specs and features, so definitely worth checking out there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.